Well, hello there. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good.
Very good. Oh, I see the building right behind you.
Yeah, let's see.
Very
Hey.
cool. Very cool.
Um, I wanted to ask you. So
Yes.
this is the thing that people want to know. Because everybody calls you Jimmy G.
Yes.
How do we pronounce your last name?
Jimmy Gialelis.
Say that again.
Gialelis.
Yalalis.
Gialelis.
Okay. Everybody else is Jimmy G, and then they're always like Gialelis. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not even
Oh,
gonna try.
it was even mispronounced in my high school graduation.
Aw.
It's okay.
Well, now the world knows.
Well, there you go. And if I ever go into politics, I can say, vote for me, Jimmy G. Yeah.
There you go. I love it.
There you go.
And everybody loves you, and everybody's so glad you're coming over to the West Side for a day. So it is January 22nd
Yes.
from 9 to 6.
96, 8-hour nerve compression syndromes class.
And it's only $150. So
Correct.
that's incredible.
It's a great
Yes.
deal.
What are they going to learn in this class?
Nerve compression syndromes involves two main components. One is going through the major discussion points on how we identify nerve compression syndromes, how we can really tell which syndrome identifies with which part of the body. We know there's some buzzwords in our industry like carpal tunnel, like sciatica, like frozen shoulder. And I really wanted to create a class that is very specific, that not all carpal tunnel cases are alike. We'd like to really delineate different types of these syndromes just to identify where the signs and symptoms are so that we can better assess our clients. That's the first piece of class.
First piece.
Yes, indeed. Second piece of class is going to be the hands-on, where we do a lot of great bodywork techniques to create space in the body to free up these entrapments.
Yeah. So you're teaching a class today?
Oh, indeed. Yes, it's a lot of like, not me personally. It's my wife teaching her class. She does her spa related classes. Really fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's got the facial cupping coming up too.
Yeah. She's all about the spa world. She was in the spa world for 16 years, so she definitely has a lot to share.
Awesome. Yeah. And then we have oncology coming up as well.
Yes,
After
indeed.
you here.
Yes. Yeah, my one of my proteges, her name is Molly Christner, and I'm really happy that she's willing to take on and be a part of my company as well. And she's going to be presenting oncology essentials.
Yes. And so if people want to register for any of your classes or your wife's or for Molly's, they call or email.
Yes, they can contact 480-390-1800 or check out our website, www.advancedmassagece.com.
Awesome. Okay, and I have the information on the Arizona School of Medical Massage and Wellness website and on our Facebook page as well. So yay, hope everybody registers for your class. And
it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun to be out there, West Valley. I hope it's going to be the first time of many.
Yes, I hope so too.
Yes,
I'm sure it will be.
I have a good feeling that your school is going to be, growing every single year. So 10 years from now, you'll have like 8 campuses and big like Steiner used to be.
There you go. We are having a Christmas party sale kind of thing. If you want to come check out the space, that's December 4th from 1 to 4. Open house. All little trinkets. The Healing Arts Connection will be here. They'll have little things to sell to, and come check it out.
Sounds good. Thank you so very much, Tammy. I just realized that my little guy behind me is in kind of a cool dancer pose. That looks really good behind. Yes. Very good. That was a nice surprise. Nice treat.
I love it. Yeah, I didn't even notice.
There you go. So that was all by accident. Yes, by accident. So glad we did this today.
Yeah, me too. All right. Well, I will get this out there, and then I'll see you soon.
Right. Continued good luck as you continue to rock with your school and keep that train moving. And yeah, enjoy your happy Thanksgiving coming up.
Thank you. You too.
Yes, be well. Thanks.
All right. Take care.
Take care. Bye.